Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go for a speed run on this one. Kind of know the deal, so I'm going to just turn the music on. I'm going to get on with it. I'm also wearing my old school U.S. Navy diver dive trunks. They're not the most glamorous or fashionable, but they do work. I'm going to try to break for 30 seconds. Last time I was 30 seconds underwater. We got to get better than that. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Totally elapsed time is not what's important. It's how much time I spend underwater. Of course, gonna talk about some motivational stuff. The words here transform your thinking, and you can transform your life. One perfect example of that is the word, which is not in my vocabulary, the word failure. That's not in my vocabulary. Because what do you think a magician does when they're practicing all the time? And that's the key word, practice. They fail. You fail over and over. And that is applicable to any sport, activity, anything. You know, you gotta fail quick, fail often to get that failure the hell out of the way, and then you get to the awesome stuff. When you start winning and kicking ass. So, that's what it's all about. Transform your thinking, transform your vocabulary, and then transform your life. Failure, there is no failure. It's called practice.